As we head into day 3 of the first Club Blu murder trial, the question for jurors is becoming more clear.
Yeah, they will have to decide if what Kierra Russ did in the hours leading up to this shooting rises to the level of murder, even though she did not have a gun. Prosecutors say she was performing in the club hours before the murder. They say she texted a group of men that a rival group was at Club Blu. Prosecutors are trying to make the case that text message set off a series of events, ending with the mass shooting and deaths of 18-year-old Stefan Strader and 14-year-old Sean Archilles. Now, when court starts up again at 9 o'clock this morning, Fox 4's John Barron will be back inside the courtroom. And John, to make the case against Russ, the prosecution is working to create a timeline that has her right in the middle.
Yeah, we've heard a lot of testimony so far in this trial, and we heard a lot about that timeline that took place after that shooting. And the prosecution is trying to build a case around how Kierra Russ was involved. Now, several law enforcement officers took to the stand yesterday. They testified about the 4 men who are also being charged with murder in this case. Now, prosecutors say that after Russ texted those men, they drove to Club Blu and started shooting. Police picked them up that morning, and an agent with the Florida Department of Law Enforcement testified that they had gun residue on their hands. Other investigators testified that they later found the guns used in the shooting in the vehicle that was used to get away. And a woman named Crystal Barnes lived in an apartment near the club. She called 911 after seeing the car.
Yes, the car is like sitting and they keep getting out. It's like they're looking for something in the woods back here, or they're trying to hide something, or I'm not sure. But if you guys are looking for them, you better get over here quick. Because they've already came one time and picked up an injured guy and left, and now they came back.
Now, Barnes also testified that she later woke up to the sounds of crackling and actually saw a car on fire, and the prosecutors say that car actually belonged to the men charged in that murder. Now, the case will be continuing today at 9 a.m. I'll be inside, and I'll be giving you guys all the updates as they become available. For now, live in Fort Myers, John Barron, Fox 4.